1989 Upper Deck High Series 15 card foil packs. High Series meaning these cards contain the low series cards, which were 1 through 700, and the High Series cards, which were cards 701 through 800. Be sure to check out video 1 of 2 to see what we pulled, also to see what rookies we're looking for and what error cards, where corrected cards were made, that we're looking for. This will be video 2 of 2, packs 3 and 4. Let's go ahead and take a look at pack number 3. Oh, that one came open kind of easy. Must have been searched. Feels like the, looks like our holographic cards want to come out. Don't want to stay in there. So we got another Los Angeles Dodgers and a Chicago Cubs. Those ones are actually kind of distinctive. Some of them are, it's tough to see them, but those are definitely distinctive. So good deal on that. We pulled a Dodgers one in pack 2 of video 1. Start out with Jose Gonzalez. Tony Armas, Steve Peters, another Lance Parrish, second one we pulled today. Nice, Goose Gossage. Good deal on that. Steve Lyons. Ellis Burks. Going to be his second year. 88 was his rookie. Charlie Lee, Drew Hall. Nice. Will the Thrill. Awesome. We'll take that for sure. Jeff Parrott. Melito Perez. Jerry Brown. Bobby Bonilla. We'll throw Bobby some love today. And Dan Gladden. All right, so not bad. We pulled the Will the Thrill, Will Clark. Big fan of him. Not going to be his rookie year, but awesome picture there on the back. And Bobby Bowe. Another awesome player there. All right, not bad. Of a third pack. Let's take a look at pack number 4. Pack number 4 is looking good. Start out with Tim Belcher. And then we go right to cards being backwards. Oh, nice. Second Nolan Ryan that we pulled. Pulled one in the first video. Another Lance Parrish, so that's about the third Lance Parrish. Joe Orsulak, second one we pulled. Jerry Royce. That's a cool picture. Looks like our holographic cards are going to be another Dodgers, so third one today, and a Philadelphia Phillies. Good deal on the Phillies and the Dodgers. Got Pete Smith, Jeff Russell, Jeff Blauser, Kent Tekulve. That's an interesting picture, interesting face. Joel Skinner, with looks like Bob Boone in the picture from California. Jay Buhner. And another Jay Buhner, so 2 of them. Chris Basio. Tim Rock Reigns, we'll throw Tim some love. And Kirk McCaskill. Not bad in that fourth pack, picked up another Nolan Ryan. That's cool with him throwing the football. And picked up Rock Reigns, always a favorite with Montreal. All right, folks, there you have it. Packs 3 and 4, video 2 of 2, 1989 Upper Deck. A pair of 15-card foil packs from McNulty Sports Cards. Thanks for watching, y'all. Thanks for supporting the channels, Facebook, YouTube, and now TikTok. Stay safe, y'all. Stay tuned.